Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how I make this absolutely amazing great northern beans with smoked turkey wings. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and take a look at the ingredients I'll be using today. I'm using some great northern beans. I already picked them and washed thoroughly. For the meats, I have some turkey wings and a small piece of corned beef brisket. Now this is the packaging for the beans for those that might not be familiar with it. This is how it looks. I have some celery, bell peppers, garlic and onion, as well as some butter, brown sugar, some mushroom seasoning, paprika, garlic and onion powder, black pepper, seasoned salt, and some bouillon. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and place your meat into the crock pot. And I already had this preheating on high. So I will add my aromatics and then we will add our beans, of course. And we will add some hot water just to speed up the cooking process. Now you don't want to add a lot of water here. If you want a nice thick consistency, you want to just add a little. I added about 4 cups. But if you want a more soupy and thin texture, you can add a lot of water. Now I'm not using chicken broth because I don't feel it's necessary. I like to season my stuff real well with my own seasoning, and the meats in here is going to create that chicken kind of turkey flavor. So you don't need the chicken broth, but if you want to use that, you can go right ahead. There you see me adding some thyme, and the butter will cover this, like I said, on high heat and allow to go for about 4 to 5 hours. After about 5 hours in total, this is what it is looking like. It smells absolutely amazing. The beans are nice and tender. The meat is falling off the bone. And what I will do next is go ahead, remove the meat, shred it up, and discard the bones. And I'll be right back to show you guys the finished product. So once I shred the meat, I just, mix everything well to combine. And I went in there and just removed the thyme stems because, it already served its purpose. So you want to just remove that. And yeah, we can serve this up. When I tell you this was so delicious and flavorful, this is one of my husband's favorite. He put me onto this dish and it is absolutely amazing. I hope you all give this recipe a try. Now let me plate it up and show you guys the finished product. Now if you prefer, you can serve this over some white rice or you can have it with cornbread. My husband's favorite is cornbread, so I made a fresh batch of soft, moist, and delicious cornbread to go with it. It was absolutely divine. Like I said, please give the recipe a try for me and let me know what you guys think. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy.